Kusgay.
Isik sopo. Kupang si Mulmul at Jane at JJ. Ana. My two pet cats. I have two pet cats. Tintin is my white cat. Bin Bin is my tan cat. Tintin white cat sat on a red mat. She is fat and pretty. She likes to sit on the red mat. Bin Bin tan cat walked by. He jumped on the mat. And now Tintin is mad. You can't have my mat, she says to Bin Bin. Bin Bin is sad. He doesn't want the red mat. He just wants to play with Tintin. Samida, bye-bye.
Okay, today we will have a 6 education lesson. No ba? No. Our 6 education is only once a month. No. Ay, ang uban no, karon pa ni kakuan. Kasagaran sa inyo ha, grade 6 naman, so hapit na gyud mo mag-menstruation. So, dapat na mo mahibaw sa 6 education. Unsa na ang 6 education? Unsa gani ng 6 education? Altia? No, naka-lesson na tayo ni no. About sa
kanang safety.
Oh.
Safety kanang person ko galingon kung dalaga na ka or menstruate.
Dapat nga mahibaw jud mo ani na agud mo learnings aning 6 education. Right?
Yeah.
Basi na ay di ganahan. Kira na ba? May na lang dihar la.
Kaya may laki. Naman this early.
Sex education is high quality teaching and learning about a broad variety of topics related to sex and sexuality. No? About kuno anang it explores values and beliefs about
Good morning, teacher Nisan. Alright, so today we're going to continue our discussion, which is part of speech mo. Ang last tulo, because we are done with the others. And then after that, by tomorrow, I will be conducting an exam regarding sa tanan. So that by on Monday, we will be discussing katong mga similina. So, let's discuss. So, read first the meaning of preposition.
Links a noun to another word.
An example niya.
To, at, after, on, but.
So, that is one of the most common sa preposition niya. But, always remember na na preposition of time, movement, and place. Yun ang kapihon later on, but we will have first assessment para makabaw ka ba mo. So, here are one example of preposition, which is we went to school on Monday. Asa ang preposition?
To and on.
To and on. Kaya na siya sa sample. Next, let's proceed. So, do you have any questions with preposition? So, ang preposition na links, murag nag-connect style siya. Or, tapad siya, nag-describe siya sa noun.
Good morning, teacher.
So, we will have our toothbrush today after class. Sige na, go ahead. Why mo tago? Kay kailangan makita. Gawas gamay, Julia.
Yo, bawas no.
Sige, toothbrush na. Dili man ka muna, manaman silang uban. Share mo tubig.
Kapay buwa? Buwa? Iyang buwa ka dapat yung noun.
Done?
Yes.
Tubang na guys, kung done na mo. Juprida, mana ka Juprida? Sagal guys, if done, approve.
Annyeonghaseyo, this is Teacher Jen. I have here Prince, Rowena, and Sinin. So they are my level 3 students. So they are actually here because they requested to stop studying in study room because they no longer can manage their schedule at school. So they have a lot of assignments. So unsag, what time ang inyong school? 12:45. Then okay, so your in at school is 12:45. So we cannot also manage you to have a morning class here in study room because you are also busy at the activities at school at the morning. So you were already busy morning, afternoon, then 12:45 until what time in your school? 7:30. Okay. So, they already insist to stop studying in study room because they no longer can manage. Because after their school, at 7:30, you still have a lot of assignments, right? And projects at school. So, unsa mga school gani? Bangkal, Mactan National High School. Yan sa mga grade 8. So, they wanted to stop study in study room. So, I'll just need an approval from Sir Vicky and from the management or staff of Mactan, Korea, and we'll get back to you. Okay? 감사합니다.